Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent everyone from adding new groups to a WhatsApp community. As of March 2025, WhatsApp has made some updates to enhance community management, and we're here to guide you through the process. This simple yet effective method will help you maintain control over your community's structure. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the current features. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a Communities tab. That's where we're heading next. Tap on the Communities tab. This will bring up a list of all the communities you're part of. Find the specific community you want to manage and select it. Now here's where the magic happens. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on those dots to open up a menu of options. From this menu, select Community Settings. This is your control center for managing various aspects of your community. In the community settings, scroll down until you find the option that says, Who can add new groups? This is the key to maintaining your community structure. Tap on this option and you'll see a few choices. The final step is crucial. Select Only Admins. By choosing this option, you're ensuring that only designated community administrators have the power to add new groups. This prevents random members from cluttering your community with unnecessary or irrelevant groups. And there you have it. You've successfully restricted the ability to add new groups to your WhatsApp community. This simple change can make a big difference in keeping your community organized and focused. Remember, effective community management is about balancing openness with structure. This feature allows you to maintain that balance, ensuring your community remains a valuable space for all members. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to update your WhatsApp regularly to access the latest features and security enhancements. Happy community managing.